Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Windows PC Health Check utility is not working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, specifically with the error message show to see if this PC can run Windows 11. Check the system requirements or ask the company that manufactured your PC. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung run. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. And then pop up itong run. And then dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na msconfig. Yan. So i-type mo lang yung command keyword na msconfig. And then next, i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then pop up itong system configurations. So ang next step, so dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung or i-select mo lang dito yung services. And then next step, dito lang sa baba makikita mo dito yung hide all Microsoft services. So i-check mo na itong box. And then next step, dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo na i-click to disable all. Click mo lang yan. And then click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito, so dito lang sa taskbar, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung Task Manager. And then dito sa Task Manager, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung Startup App. So click mo lang yan. And then dito ay kailangan lang natin i-disable lahat. Okay? So kailangan naka-disable lahat dito. Right? So after, so close lang natin itong Task Manager. And then next step, and dito lang sa search menu, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search for apps, so i-type mo lang dito yung CNP. Or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na smc /scan now. So in on is more later lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin itong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo na ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix PC Health Check not showing results and not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.